Halika, mag-ano tayo. Maglalaro tayo ng one-on-one. I just gonna shoot right here in the park. Oh, sige. Oh. Oh, sige. Your ball. Ha? Oh, sige na. Hindi, dito half court lang eh. Dalawa lang tayo eh. Oh, sige na. Oh, sige. Oh, lalabas ko. Doon ka. Oh, no, right here. It's super. Half court na tayo. Oh, your ball, ha? Oh, sige. Oh, remember, if you dribble the ball, only one hand. Yun lang, or else the double. One hand, or you can, oh yan, double yan. Or you can switch up. Oh, sige. Oh, ako naman. Ay, naku, yung mic. Yung microphone. Oh, shoot ha? Oh, I'm doing far away naman eh. Oh, sige na, ikaw yung closer ka eh. Oh, sige. Oh, sige na. Oh, yan, dribble. One hand only. Oh, yan, double na naman yan. Turuan mo na kita mag-dribble, anak. Anak, give it to me. I will dribble mag-dribble ka hanggang dito. Simula rito hanggang doon. Dribble. One hand. Pass to sa Okay. Okay, go. Dribble ka doon, hindi. Oh, one hand lang ha. You have to be running pass. Oh, doon uli. Doon. Okay na. Halika dito. That's too far. Isang court lang. Ito naman. Mapapagod siya yan. Ikaw naman eh. Yeah, we take it seriously. O, try mo naman mag-dribble ng left-handed. Can you? Left hand. Can you do left-handed? O, try it. Try the left hand, this one. O, dribble. Go over there. Oh, good job. Oh, dito sa kabila, left hand. You have to run. Ha? You have to run. Left hand lang. Oh, okay na. Now, i-try mo naman switch. Try mo naman switch ganito. Can you do switch? Kasi, can you do switch? Left and right. Oh, switch. Oh, pwede na. Oh, doon uli. Back. Hindi ka masasanay ganyan. Go. Ano talaga pa-practice ka eh. Next. I gonna guard you. Kailangan makapunta ka ron. Dribble ng ball ha. Without doing double dribbling, okay? Okay, go. No, go right here. Oh, hindi pwede, kailangan continue dribbling. Hindi pwede kuminto. I'm just gonna guard you. Go. Go! Oh, hindi mo. Sabi ko, without double dribbling. Balik. Go back. Go. Dribble. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Shoot it. Okay, good job. Go over there. No. Dito. Gagawin kita. Doon ka naman nagsushoot. Yeah, practice lang. Sige, balik ka dun. Ganyan talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo, malakas ang kalaban eh. Go back ulit. You have to go back. Hindi mo ano eh. Kailangan makompleto mo, kailangan makapunta ron. Whatever, basta kailangan makapunta ka ron. Siyempre gagard nga kita eh. No, traveling. Go back. That's traveling. You have to dribble, remember? Sige na, go. Shoot mo. Ganyan. Okay, good job na yan. Okay, we're gonna one-on-one. That's your ball. Yan talaga, practice ka nga eh. That's your ball, go. Come here. Don't dribble, double dribble yan. Violation yan. You have to do one hand, remember? Halika na dito. Pagka ganun, papasa mo na yun ha. Pagka ganun, wag mo nang i-dribble. Look for passes na lang, okay? Look for passes. Pagka meron ka kakampi, pag meron kang teammate, pasa mo. Wag mong i-dribble uli. Sige, ako naman. Guard me. You didn't guard me na naman. Sabi ko, guard mo ako closer. Or else I gonna shoot the ball. Your ball. Dalihan mo na. Closer. Sige na. Kahit na closer ka pa. Double ka yan. Shoot mo dyan, pag ganyan. Ay, nako. Remember, double dribble yon. Kung gagawin sa real game yan. Kasi pasok sa akin. Yasi. You're too far. You have to guard me. I will score. Sige, ikaw na. Remember, you have to dribble. That's traveling. Ay, nako. Dribble the ball. Double dribble. Remember, one hand only. Ay, nako, nakita ko ito. Tutuhan ka eh. Sige na, shoot mo. Sige, ako naman. Ah, guard mo ako. Hindi ganyan ang tinuro ko sa'yo mag-guard. Guard mo ako yung closer. Tight defense. Ayan, ganyan ha. Ganyan, dapat ganyan ka ha. Dapat... oh, dribble, one hand ha. Oh, shoot. Mukha agad. Oh. Ay, nako, nangin. Sa windy. Oh, your ball. Oh, shoot it. Oh, shoot mo. Wow, ha? Oh, 2-0. Oh.
No, one in.
Oh, sige, 1-0. Kaya 2-0 eh, daya eh. Double yan. Yung one hand ka lang mag-dribble. Oh, sige, do it again. Only one hand nga. Violation ka niya, di. Oh, sige. Oh, guard me na naman. Oh, ikaw, your ball. Tama na yan, papractice tayo. Come here. Oh, one hand. Leon, dribble ka ng one hand. Oh. Oh, liga na dito. You have to guard me. I will score you. Oh, yeah, dribble ka one hand na. Basta na immediately Lawin ka eh. Oh, halika dito. Halika dito, dati yan. Ay, nakmo. Oh, dribble the ball. Kasi come here. Guard me. Ako. A wind blow. Magkakasakit ka, magod.